What's up, everyone? It's your boy Sticks. I'm just going to be going over my swing trade that I did on my small account, the 2.5K account challenge. If you guys don't know, if you're new to the channel or new to the chat room, I am basically doing a 2.5K challenge, taking $2,500 and taking it all the way up to 25,000. I used to do that with 5,000, but I've never done this with anything lower than 5,000. In my opinion, it's very difficult, and I'm only doing this trading stocks, which makes it even more difficult. With options, things get a little bit easier, but with stocks, it just seems to be going pretty slow. But it's a steady win so far. I've yet to lose any trades on this account. Um, I started again with 2.5K, and it is sitting right now at. Let me see if I can do this without showing my um, account number here. How do I do this? There you go. Cash and sweep at 3,549 bucks from 2,500. Basically, it's 1,000 bucks. And I started this. I can't even remember when. I think a couple months back. Um, but anyway, let's get started with the actual video. Um, I this whole swing trade was done on May 21st. 5-minute window, 1-minute window. So we'll go over the 5-minute and the 1-minute. So I got my signal here to buy. Sure enough, it was doing its thing. As you can see, it dipped down on me. Got down to 631. That's okay. I held. There's an important reason why 448, by the way, 448 shares at $6.66. This is the important, the 448. I'll go over that in just a little bit. But yeah, so it dipped down on me. That's okay. I'm not scared. I was confident in my trade, and this is a swing trade. Swing trades for me are usually between a week, 2 weeks to 3 weeks out. Okay, so between 1 to 3 weeks out. It is going here. Remember, I bought it on May 21st, and finally it decides to do its move, and I sold right here. Now I got my sell signal. In my opinion, it's a little bit too premature, but that's okay. As you see, it actually went all the way up to a high of $8.73. That would have been like another point, really. So another 400 bucks, or 600 bucks, whatever it is that I made. I can't even remember now. But yeah, so 448 shares sold right here. Now, why is 448? Well, let's go back here. And why doing a small account is very difficult for me. Now, my large account, I would never go all in, meaning I would never put all of my capital into one single stock or single option, whatever. You never really trade like that. But if you do 448 times 6.66, 2,900. Now, in this account, I started at 2,500, slowly been getting it up to 3,000. Basically, I think I had like $14 left to spend or something. And then, of course, I'm at 3,500 and something now. So it's about $500 win, almost 600 bucks. But as you can see, I went all in. But that's, in my opinion, that's really, if I'm swinging, I'm gonna do that with a small account. Once this account reaches $5,000, I'll probably be breaking it. I probably will only go half of my capital into one single stock. That's just a rule that I have for myself. It's worked for me. It keeps me in check, and it keeps my mental game strong. Okay. So again, going over the 1 minute now. You got in right here, May 21st. $6.66, 448. I got my signal here. I know a lot of people are asking about my signal. If you want to know what my signal is, join the chat room. Join the chat room. We all explain what the signal is. We all explain, because there's different methods, different systems that we have. Mine is a particular system. A lot of the guys here know it. They like it, but they also have developed their own systems around that, and it works very well. Um, If you want to know what it is, join the chat room, because it's a lot to have to keep on explaining what the system is and what the signals are. So as you can see, it went up, then it came back down. It dipped on me here. It kept around that same level, and then finally it broke out. And look at that gap. 753, almost a gap. I guess you got some points here, all the way to 785. That is sweet. And then it went up. Now I sold here because I got my sell signal, unfortunately. But look at that. Volume came in and it spiked all the way up. I don't mind taking profits early because I know I can always jump back in. It sucks if you lose money, you get out, and then it starts to go back up. But those are stop losses, and that's what they're for. Um, on my other video, I showed this, the reason why I saw potential in JNUG. I'll say it again right here. This is a 180-day chart, 4-hour candles. So this is going back 180 days. Look at this. Do you see here? This is a critical point here. Strong support. Bounces off of this. Bounced up here once, twice, 3 times. Went up 4 times. So it likes this. It likes to bounce off of this level. That's $6 and some odd and 21 cents. Now it'll probably reach here. If it reaches here, it may drop back down, or it could just drop back down right here, bounce up here. Who knows? But all I know is it likes this. I felt confident trading this. Another thing is you may see it already here. Let me see if I'm able to zoom in to that. Right here. Oops, that's way too much. I just messed that up. Man, almost did it again. Let me delete this. Focus here on that. This is a triangle, and it broke the pattern going up. Okay. We love triangles in our chat room. We love triangles. We love trend lines. We love patterns. Pattern breakouts are amazing, and that is how we're very successful. I will put the chat room in the description. It's a Discord chat room. Feel free to join. A lot of great traders, a lot of new traders, and there are very, very great traders like B Dog. You have Trader Sorab, Chartslinger. Trader Sorab was making like $9,000 or $10,000 just in the past 3 weeks. Maybe more, I think. I don't even know, 20,000, something like that. I can't remember now. You got Chartslinger, Captain Zero, and you got other great people in there that are very good at charting and at trading. I will go ahead and leave the description there. Follow me on the social medias. I'm on Twitter. I'm on Instagram at Sticks Trades. And that's it. Expect huge things coming up. Again, I don't know if you guys remember, but I did mention that the channel is going to be going into, of course, the day trading stuff, lifestyle, and also uh, my passions, which is motorcycles and vehicles, really in general. So I have acquired a couple of motorcycles, and I will be fixing them up and posting those videos here on YouTube. They're old motorcycles, but I like that stuff. And I'm going to show a sneak peek of something here real quick. Something that is supposed to be secret, but I'm going to go ahead and show it anyway. Let me see if I can do this. Give me 1 second. This is worth it because this is one of the things that we have that's actually making so much money, and it's kind of crazy. All right, here it is. Ready for it? Boom. That is a new amazing scanner. It is ridiculous how accurate this thing is. I'm sorry, not scanner. Script that we're using. It is so insane how accurate this is. It has allowed our guys to collect, instead of scalping 4, 5, 6 cents, 10 cents, it's gotten them basically to collect the whole point, sometimes even more. Amazing script. Anyway, just wanted to give you a little sneak peek. That's it. That's all you get. Thank you so much. See y'all tomorrow.